Hello guys. Anyway, last time I making a video about planting sweet basil from February 21, but I show you guys what I'm talking about. Ito February 21, 25 sweet basil. Tanawan ninyo, wala gyud nagtubo na dire, pero para siyang papaya bunot. So this is not sweet basil, wala talaga siya, walang tumubo guys. So right, sorry guys for my background. Meron kasing nagbotol ng kahoy doon, mga mangga, so ginawa nilang tabla. So right now I have new one, this bago siya, bago kong bili for second time around again, basil. So let's check it out. So anong mangyayari dito ulit, sana guys tumubo na siya, kasi I like really basil, good for pesto, good for salad, good for pizza. So let's find out on my second video. So this one, tanim ko siya today. I put a date, so I will never forget when I started to make seedling. So thank you guys for watching. Bye, happy days.